Unit 4, Lesson 5, example number 3. This will be the flow-proof example. So let's take a look at what we're asked to do here. So given BA congruent to CA, so let's mark that on our diagram. Given AX is the angle bisector of angle BAC. So again, I'm going to mark that on my diagram. And we want to prove that angle ABX is the same as ACX. So ABX is the same as ACX. So this is a CPCTC proof. CPCTC. All right, and those angles that we want to show are in these two triangles here. This triangle and this triangle. So first, in order to use CPCTC, we have to prove that those two triangles are congruent. And we are given a side and an angle. And let's look at our method. So we have side, side, side. That's going to be out. Side, angle, side. That's possible. Angle, angle, side. No. We don't know anything about any of the other angles. Angle, side, angle. Again, we don't know anything about the other angles. Oops. And hypotenuse, leg, we don't have a right triangle. So we are looking for another side. And again, in order to use side, angle, side, the angle must be sandwiched in between the sides, and AX is shared by both. So I know this is a CPCTC proof, so I'm going to kind of set up my proof at the bottom and then work my way up. CPCTC. Again, the benefit of doing this is that you can get some points. Angle ABX congruent to angle ACX by CPCTC. And the two triangles we're going to prove congruent are triangle ABX congruent to triangle ACX. And we know that we're going to use side, angle, side for that. And so I already have two correct statements and two correct reasons for this proof, and I've done nothing other than mark my diagram and take a look at it. So that's a way to get some points using the flow proof. So let's see what we're given. We were given one side here, and that's BA congruent to CA, and that was given. Next, we were given that AX is the angle bisector of angle BAC, and what did that tell us? So I'm going to mark this with a 1 and 2. Angle 1 congruent to angle 2 by definition of an angle bisector. So now we have an angle. Lastly, we need another side, and I see that AX is congruent to itself by reflexive property. And so now I have a complete proof.